This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today, we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Okay, let's start off here on the weekly. Well, what do we have here? Basically, you just got a series of lower highs here, which really, doesn't look that bad. See the low, and higher low. Key is holding this key support, this 200, sitting at 1928.30. Now, again, if that is lost here, then what we do is we look here. You're looking at 1926 here. We're looking here at 1917. And then you have your retest here at 1913. But if you look at this here, a little bit bigger picture here, you topped out here, you put in a lower high, but now with these series of higher lows, it's really not looking that bad. What will happen here is this will just get tighter and tighter and tighter, and then you're going to break out one way or the other. So you want to watch these price channels, that 1913 on the bottom and that 1880 there on the top. Now let's just see what kind of resistance we have going upside. Well, look at there. You got your 21 SMA, you got 1942. We have this 8 SMA at 1945, your 50 at 1953, and then 1966, and then your retest of 1980. So you got a lot of resistance overhead, but as long as you can hold this key 200 SMA here and this retest of this 1913, you're still in very, very good shape here. So let's just look here on a weekly. Well, it's just basically sideways action, but you can see here how it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So basically just watch these key levels here. The 50-day, well, the basically is going to be this 200-day. That's going to be very, very key. Now, on the upside here, you always want to watch the weekly on the 8-day, 1953, and then we have your 1963, your 21-day. Then you can start retesting these candles up here. Again, if you can break above this level, then you have your 1980 here. You have 2010, 2022. Then you can rally right on up here to 2085. But I don't know, it just doesn't look that strong right now here, but maybe over time here. Now here on your monthly chart here, well, this is still looking very, very good here. You're still very much, intact. You could claim there's a left shoulder, there's a head, there's a right shoulder that's building on out here. But bottom line, that if you can close above this 285, then you got 289, then you can go basically 2100. Very, very easy here. But right now, I'm just not really excited either way. An easy way to trade this is with GLD for the gold and SLV here for the silver, which we're going to look at right after this. So bottom line, just watch this key 200 SMA here, that 1913, and then your big retest here, sitting on the bottom of that candle there at basically 1900 flat. But right now, you got a series of higher lows. So right now, it's not really looking too bad. The key is you got to get through all this resistance and break above and close above that 1980. All right, let's take a look here at the old silver. All right, silver, pretty much same situation here, okay? You put a low in right here, okay? 22, what was this candle right here? Yeah, 22, 20, and then you made a higher low here at 22.26. So that was a really nice double bottom. Ran right on up here, but then you always have to look to the left of these candles here. See double top, boom, sell right on down. Okay, so let's just look at where we're going to go here on the downside. Well, you really need to hold that 22.26. That's going to be very, very crucial. So what you want to do is look at today's low. You got 23.02 here. And then basically what we could do here is you could follow these candles here, okay? So you got 22.92 here on the high. On this low here, 22.71. You could come here to do 22.44, and then you have 22.39, and then 22.26. That is going to be your very, very key support. On the upside, you got a lot of resistance here, so you want to look at your 23.51. That's your 8 SMA here, and then watch that 200, 23.56, and then 23.70, 23.89. you got a lot of resistance here. Okay, what is the Hondo? 23.99 before you can rally up here. Now, to get a good rally here, get this thing going here, you got to close back above this 25.42, that double top area, just to hit this target here at 26.43. Now, again, if you can break above that, then you got 27.49 here, okay? But here on your weekly chart here, well, it's really not that bad because here you go with that series of higher lows again. So far, you're holding it. So, it's all very. It's just kind of like a sideways action, but you need to rip it up here. So your key support levels here is going to be that 23.09, 22.60, and then you have your candle right there, which is that 22.26 right here. That is going to be very, very key support level here. On the upside, you want to look at that 8 SMA here. 23.61 and then 23.94. But you really need to get back above, okay, this here, 25.42, and then retest this and get above here before you can hit the 27.49. Now, here on your monthly chart, well, if you can get above that 27.49 here, well, then we just come right over here to the next channel here. So what do you got here? You got 28.90 and then 35. Again, if it runs, if you can close above this, you could hit 35 very easily, okay? But right now, you just have basically a sideways action, same way as on gold. It's not really going higher, not really going lower. So an easy way to trade this is SLV if you're trading the silver. All right, thanks for watching.